Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Miss Rabbit as train operator. Let's begin. Miss Rabbit wears a smart uniform with a cap and always has a big smile on her face. She drives the train on its tracks, making sure everyone gets to where they need to go. Miss Rabbit loves to blow the train whistle and wave at people as she passes by. Can you make a choo-choo sound like a train? Miss Rabbit is very good at her job and always makes sure the train runs on time. How does it feel to ride a fast train? Miss Rabbit helps passengers find their seats and makes the journey fun and safe for everyone. Have you ever ridden on a train before? Riding the train with Miss Rabbit is always an exciting adventure. She makes the journey fun and safe. Who would you like to ride the train with? And now, it's time to add color to Miss Rabbit. Cream. Pink. Peach. Blue. Yellow. Dark shade of blue. Light shade of blue. Black. Well done. Miss Rabbit is a fantastic train operator. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.